Well, the garden cleanup has gone really well. The kids did a great job. So I guess garden cleanup slash harvest. So they harvested the carrots and some onions out of this bed and got it all cleaned up. And everybody ripped out the remaining old stalks from our Doe Hill peppers out of these two beds. Now we took out the broccoli because it got frosted pretty bad the other day, and there was only one that was okay, so we put it in a pot and we'll see how it goes. Got this bed, the rest of this bed cleaned out, and then all the Roma tomato vines off, and of course the turnips harvested, which is awesome. And then that bed with the Swiss chard, well, the lettuce is still growing, which is good. The Swiss chard's pretty much done, but we're probably going to just chop it back here over the next week because our temperatures are supposed to be okay, and then probably mulch it pretty heavy and see if we can keep the stems alive over the winter, and hopefully it goes to seed. Got this bed cleaned out and the dragon carrots harvested. And then the next little job that I'm going to do here shortly is we took this bed, we'd planted some Ruby Ann strawberries, and in all fairness we planted them late, you know, same old story. They didn't do fantastic, but we've got, how many have we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 15, 16. So there's 17 plants that made it through the year, and we kind of wanted this bed here for something different, and as you can see there's been a lot of settlement in that one, or these two, so we've got to add quite a bit to it. So the plan right now is to take these strawberry plants and plant them on the back side of this, which in the springtime will be fine. It'll get lots of sun. It'll be a little more shaded from whatever we grow on this trellis next year, which might help during the real warm season. So I'm going to get them planted, get them mulched, and then well, there's the Ruby Ann strawberries replanted. Hopefully they'll do a little better here than they did on the other bed last year, but well, anyways, not our favorite from a flavor perspective of all the strawberries, but we're going to give them another chance because they didn't exactly have the most ideal growing conditions. We'll wait and see what happens next year, but I'm going to put some straw around these, and then that's and then that's done for the day.